Hey there, welcome back to Featherwood Farm. We are in the Redbud Grove garden on the side yard here, and I'm about to kind of rework this whole bed. I had mentioned, I think in the spring garden tour, that I want to pull out a lot of these plants and put more soil, kind of mound it up a bit, because this section and then kind of the back half over there get really soggy and inundated, and I just kind of want to help the drainage a bit. So I want to lift the plants out, lay more soil, replant everything, and actually kind of reconfigure the whole bed. I have a couple of sketches that I've done where things are gonna go, but should be fun. Okay, so I'm picking up today where I left off yesterday in the Redbud Grove garden, and my GoPro camera battery can't really handle the sun and the heat for very long, so it was shutting off and I, wouldn't realize it, so a little bit choppy yesterday, but this is how much I've gotten complete so far. And I've been laying this little flagstone path to kind of cut through. Got all of these perennials relocated. Some of them are the new plugs that I got. So like these are the little GMs. Beautiful. And I have this flagstone path that I'm still going to continue, and it's going to kind of come in front of this stone because I want this stone to almost act as like a seat. You finish this path and you could just sit right there if you wanted to. And yeah, I don't know when I'm going to get to this part. This part isn't so bad. This part doesn't bother me that much. And this side is definitely going to be the last part that I work on because we are trying to remove this walnut stump and it's proving to be a bit of a challenge. So I want to get that out before I obviously get anything planted in and around it. But the lilac is almost about to bloom. This is Crimson Doll Lilac. So now I'm kind of on the back side here. I still have to clean up, this whole border. Let's walk around the mess. I've kind of been raking in where I want it to go, so I'm thinking kind of about right here, like along that, and then this I'll just have to seed in with some grass seed. So this part I'm still working on getting planted. Actually, I kind of have everything setting right there for now. So I gotta get that into the ground. I'll have to order in some mulch. And I don't think, as of right yet, I'm going to work on this back half. I think I'm kind of gonna let this be, but I could change my mind. Who knows? I guess it just depends on how much I get done and how tired I'm feeling.